So, welcome back to school. We're excited to have everyone back. We are going to talk a little bit about the state insurance plan to start off with. We did talk about it as an insurance committee, and just so you know, the state did not put in enough money to cover the state insurance plan. We're hoping in the future that the state kicks in more money for benefits, and we're able to talk about that in the future and maybe think about going to that plan. But as of this year, we stayed with Blue Cross of Idaho. It did go up about 9%, but the school district covered all that cost plus more. So actually insurance rates went down this year. You should have seen that in your August paycheck. So hopefully it's a very good thing what's been done. So as we go on, I want to talk a little bit about Skyward and everything that's out there on Skyward. I hope you at least log into it at least once a year. After September's paycheck, please go in there and just make sure everything looks right. Make sure it's the right amount, your deductions are the way you want them, those kind of things. That just needs to be checked. So to do that, you log into Skyward and you would go in under employee information, and then you can either go to check history over here under payroll, or you can go in under personal information, and then there's a whole list of things right there on the side, and one of them is checks. Now this is just my dummy account, so I have not paid this person, so no checks are going to show up. But I want to show you the few of the other things on Skyward that you can do. For example, you can go in under your address and you can make changes there if it's not the correct address. You can also do the same thing with your direct deposit. You can make that change if you need to. Those are the couple things that you can change on Skyward. Most things you can't. That's all accessed here at the district office. But those two things you can change if you want to. Going on, a few of the other things that you can see in Skyward is in January, when we do W-2s, we no longer print those out for you. This is where you will find them. So you can go in, you can look here at W-2 information, and it will pull up your information. If you want to see the actual W-2, you need to go in employee information and then down to, it's not going to show the correct thing because I don't have an actual W-2 for this dummy account, but there'll be a W-2 here and you can click on that and then you just print it off there. If you don't put in your social security number, you did not find the right thing. Okay, a few other things you'll see is the 1095. This is that Affordable Health Care Act. This form goes to the government and we are required to print one every year, or not print one, but make one for you every year. So this is where you can find that, to print that off. You can also see accounts payable payments. If you receive flex or buy down, this is where you can go in to see what's been paid and when. If you get mileage reimbursements or anything like that, you can see that here. So that's just a couple of the really cool things in Skyward. So I hope you do go in and check at least your first paycheck of September and just make sure everything's all right. So this is Jeni Bybee, and it's a great day to be a Bobcat.